darlings, how is everybody feeling today? I am super excited and a little bit worried about today's move. It's gonna be hard and my abs are not very strong and reverse crunches are crazy hard for me. I also am a little bit sore because for the first time, I would say in about 5 years, I did a spin class. Whew, it was hard. And I don't even really know how to ride a bike, so it was definitely interesting for me. And then I did the stair climb for 9/11 today, just to, give them some honor and some remembrance. But I am ready for this. I'm gonna die. You wanna make sure that your shoulders are back down and all your weight is in them. You can keep your hands in a fist here or down, whatever feels good to you. And then you're gonna cross those ankles, and we're going to start with one. So come up and control it down. Now you really want to use your abs and not momentum. You can also really push through the four corners of your hands to help yourself get up and to stabilize the down, because otherwise you can hurt your back. Now if this is too difficult, you can always just come up a little bit. You don't have to come up very high. And if that is even too much, just rock. You'll still get into those lower abs, and it'll be a little bit easier. Whew. Otherwise, come up high like I am. You really want to try to protect that neck by looking at the knees. Suck the belly button into the spine. If you're doing this on a carpet, maybe make sure that your shirt doesn't roll up like mine just did, because you can get carpet burn, and that doesn't feel comfortable. Or do it on the yoga mat. Now I am already feeling those abs. Remember to breathe out and in through your nose. It's a good time to check, see if you need a manicure, because I'm looking at my toes and definitely saying, I need to paint them. Whew. Anytime you need to, bring those knees in, take your break. You can even rock back and forth to roll out the spine. Come up, get started again. Whew. Up and down. So to really control it with those abs, let it burn. That's how you know it's working. So does anybody have any fun plans for their Wednesday or anything else coming up this weekend? I don't think I actually have anything planned this weekend, which would be a first for a little while. I usually always go on Instagram and say I want to do things, but then I never do go to them. But there's always so many things to see. Whew. Keep going. Try to keep those knees together whenever you're coming up. Whew. Didn't realize how tired I was from doing that spin class. It takes a lot out of you. Whew. Up. I feel like we're almost halfway there. If you guys can do these without a break, then I'm super jealous of you. Leave me a comment and let me know if you stopped as many times as I did. Whew. That's okay. I might should have done these in little sets of 10 throughout the day. And you guys can do that anytime you want. Just do a little set of 10. You don't have to do them 100 at a time. It actually might be really cool for you to do that. Then you won't get bored with the move. You'll be able to really concentrate on what you're doing. And you definitely won't have have to worry about getting as tired as I am right now. Now really remember to try to keep that weight in the shoulder so you're not tucking your chin up like this. You really want to have that airway nice and open so you can breathe. Up, down, up, down, last 2. One more. Whew. Sorry, I had to take a break there, guys. That was hard. I hope you guys had a good time watching me. You may even laugh at how bad I am at these, but hey, at least I'm working on myself, trying to make myself better. I know abs are definitely something that I struggle with. I let myself fall off my diet and I'm trying to jump back on the wagon, but eating right is hard because I'm a foodie and I love food. And sweeties, that's where I live. That's my happy place. So I'm really trying to work on that. And in the meantime, I just gotta work those abs out right now. Whew, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.